Hello. Good morning, good afternoon, good anytime you are watching me. Guys, na me again, no. Now na pikin, no. You can leave your comments here if you are a guy. The reason you leave your wife on Christmas Day. Christmas, man, do you know what is Christmas? Have you ever, before your wife born for you, you don't fair date woman, you say, I dey wait for my babe, he will come, your stomach will come out. You don't ever do that kind of thing. Why now? Why now? You guys, you have kids at home. You can celebrate Christmas together with your children. Christmas period here in France on Christmas night, wash night day. You don't see anybody for outside though. What do you think say then? Where you think say then they? They back of your house, or they buried them that day. All of them, they are at home. Do you know some men? Cause men like them, guys, let's go out and drink that wash night day, and your wife is at home, and your children, they're at home. You can't even celebrate this Christmas thing with them, and you prefer to celebrate that Christmas with other, and that house you are going, woman not there, children not there. Guys, please, it's like sometimes some of you, or not all, because I always say there is a better. There are men inside man. there is men inside men, and there is boy speaking inside man. No. Sometimes you go to people's house, you abandon your wife at home. You say you won't go make fun. You won't go have fun. You won't go enjoy fun with other people. When you go there, children did that house. But if you see wife, children for that house where you go, you leave your home for house, you decrease. You are the most stupid man on earth. You leave your wife for house. You go another person house. Go do this Christmas or New Year for another person house. But when you go there, there is child or children and wife there, and you think you they have fun. You are getting your fun. Just you be Ozuo or there, because that house now family house. Christmas is what to you? Christmas is where you, man, you stay with your wife, you stay with your family. That small family where you build, you will stay with them. But some of you guys, not all. Some of you guys, please stop what you are doing. You think you are hurting that lady by leaving them at home, you go another person house. That house, there are children there. We're short. There is children there, and you call yourself a man. When you go there, you don't hear pikin they cry. If now the cry of your children, they bother you for your brain. You know, sorry guys, you hear my little boy, 2 years old boy, they talk for the background small. You know, see your children voice. They call mama, mommy for that house where you go. But you leave your own house. Say you want go get fun with your guy. But another person house, when there is children there, That thing makes sense. You don't even care. You say I am coming, Dali, I'm coming, and you're going to someone's house, and you don't even care. Christmas is you're supposed to stay with your people, your family, the small one that you try to bring up. Maybe you always work from Monday till Saturday. And my problem is on wash night day, Christmas, French people, I'm in France. I don't know if Italy or Spain or all those neighbor country around us, don't know how they do their own Christmas. But here in France, around that 10 o'clock, you won't see anybody. You'll be like say they sweep them. Boy, because you know be man, not if you call you man. Boy. You never come and see say that place. You think say all those French people, where they you they think say all those white people on Christmas, wash night Christmas, no club where will open. You think say them go I don't know where you think say them go on wash night day, when you will come out, no see any white men, white women outside, even club go close. You think say them go where? They go die, or they will wake up in the morning, or all of them take poison. They are with their family, for Christ's sake. Stay your home and stop disturbing people peace. A man who don't want a home to destroy. If yours is destroyed already, you have already used your hand to destroy your home. Don't call other men that are trying to make things better for them. I know you will say, maybe one day some of you will come across this video. I didn't force him. No, you did. He's your friend. You know, you men, you will say, oh, may I just go? And you are the guys who say, hey, you see, I call her more. I call her, no one come out. The wife just lock and put for his house. Because, you know the reason? He valued that his family so much, and he don't want you guys to destroy it for him. I bet na wife they talk now. Now wife they talk wetin they happen for that house now. I call her, no one come out. No, it's not maybe he's afraid of his wife. He loves that little family that he has, and he don't want it to destroy. It's not because he's afraid of his wife, but he just wants peace to reign. Your house is not okay. See, if you are the one that decide what to eat, what to cook, or when to sleep with your wife, your house is not okay. Or you enter house anytime you feel like you think your house is okay. My dear, if you men that maybe travel from other country to visit your woman, you can't visit your wife, children where you don't see maybe over 3-4 months, you can't even stay with that even though it's not because of your wife, maybe because of the children, you can't even stay. One stupid man will just call you, or you yourself that come from other city or other country to visit your wife, you will use phone to disturb other people. Hello guys, at that time no, I just come today. You feel angered. Why you don't stay that place where you for the come? Maybe that your wife no feel talk. You say, yes, hello, boy. Oh God, it's just the coin. One just come out. Why you guys are trying to make these women get mad sometimes? Christmas is what to you? That is my main thing today. What do you think Christmas is? It's not only to hang out with friends. Christmas is all about family. Christmas is all about your family. Play, let children jump on you. Please, guys. Please. That is all today. I wish you guys can maybe take a little bit sense from this. Okay, guys. Bye bye. I kiss you all.